This series pulls back the curtain on the revival of custom vintage vehicles, pairing history with hands-on restoration. In each episode, a different model's story unfolds, from its design roots to the era it defined on the road. Craftsmen navigate rare parts, patina preservation, and safety upgrades, narrating the meticulous rituals that turn sketches into chrome reality. Interviews with passionate restorers and the owners reveal personal motivations, vintage loyalties, and the surprising compromises behind every bolt. Viewers ride along as history, craft, and community collide in the workshop, creating more than a car, it is a living memory.